anyone can get out of a rut using the 7-step framework I will be sharing in this video. My name is Michael and I help young men achieve their dreams and live up to their fullest potential. When you are on a mission to achieve your goals, there will be times that you find yourself stuck in a rut. Maybe you are in a rut right now. It's that awful period where you have no motivation or energy at all, and your progress is slow. It's a very big problem, especially if it happens more often. But luckily I found the solution. This worked for myself and it worked for my students. So I am 100% confident it will also work for you. The first step is to acknowledge that you are in a rut. If you're unaware that you're in this rut, then you won't take any action to get yourself out of it. The definition of a rut is a pattern or behavior that has become unproductive but is hard to change. So whenever your progress is slow and you're not getting as much done as you want, you are probably in a rut. That is how you can recognize it, and you should instantly say to yourself, I am in a rut. Step number 2 is to get some quick energy or power. When you are in a rut, you are very likely to fall victim to bad behaviors, and you want to stop those negative behaviors as soon as possible. Things like video games, YouTube videos or Netflix shows will only take energy away from you. And when you're in a rut, your energy levels are already very low, so you don't want to make this problem any worse. But sometimes you are in such an intense rut that you can't even find the strength to stop doing those bad habits. That is why you will take some super small actions that give you some quick energy. For me, what works best is taking the time to breathe. Deep breaths from the nose into your belly. You can also drink some water to feel more refreshed. Those small actions don't cost you much energy, but they will instantly make you feel more alive. With the small amount of energy you gained at step 2, I want you to slowly pull yourself out of the rut. You will do this by creating super small goals. If you're in the middle of a bad habit, then your first goal is to get yourself to stop doing it. When you're overeating, then let go of your spoon. Playing video games? Turn off your device. The main goal here is to accumulate small wins or victories. Step number 4 is to celebrate those victories. Being able to stop a negative spiral is definitely worth celebrating, because you are beating resistance. If you don't know what resistance is, it's anything that works against you on your path to success. It's my personal enemy, and if you want to reach your goals, it should be your enemy too. But anyway, if you are able to beat resistance and stop your negative behaviors, then you should make yourself feel good about it. You can use positive self-talk to boost your confidence. I like to say things like, I am a winner. I am an exceptional individual. My mindset and capabilities exceed far past the average. Because when you start to feel like a winner, then you will start to act like a winner. Okay, step number 5 is to look at your mission statement. If you don't have a statement about what your goal is and how you will achieve it, then you need to make one. I explain exactly how to make one as a part of my Goal Achievement Masterclass. If you want to check it out, then I'll leave a link in the description, but you can also try to make one yourself. When you have your mission statement in front of you, all you need to do is read it out loud. Then think about which actions you have to take today that will help you make the most progress towards the goal. Step number 6 is to include these actions in your schedule. If you don't have a schedule either, I don't understand what you're doing at this point. If you're serious about achieving your goals, then you need a schedule that tells you exactly what to do at what time. Without it, it's impossible to stay productive. Maybe that's what got you into the unproductive rut in the first place. So make up your schedule and start tackling the bigger tasks that are waiting on you. If you don't have the energy to do that big task, then go all the way back to step 1. Because if you don't have the energy, it means you are in a rut. When the big task has been completed, then you have to be super cautious. Completing it probably costs you a lot of energy. And because you had low energy before the task, you might have even lower energy after it's done. It only makes sense. So I suggest that you do something relaxing, something that really gives you energy. Maybe listen to music, meditate, play an instrument, etc. You really can't be too careful, because you don't want to get sucked back into the rut. You want to slowly build up momentum and maintain it. Now you know exactly what to do next time you're stuck in a rut. But it would be way better if you never entered a rut in the first place. And that's why I will make an entire video about how to do this in the coming week. So if you want to see that video and other videos about goal achievement, then subscribe to this channel. I hope you found this useful. Until next time, and go make today the best day possible.